Hi, I'm Jeff Burnthissel from EGC Enterprises. Pressure seal valves have been used for decades in steam service applications, in power generation, refining, pulp and paper, and other process industries. And I know you're saying we've always used metal pressure rings because they can be produced quickly and economically in our shop. But there are some compelling reasons why the industry you're in makes metal a thing of the past. With today's energy demands and premium operating efficiency, plant equipment cycles much more frequently. Pressure seal valves that were designed to cycle only once or twice per year are now required to cycle multiple times each day. This high cycle action results in leaks due to wear between the metal seal and valve components, and can cause galling or welding of the metal pressure ring to the valve body. And everyone who's been in this business knows what it's like to remove a metal pressure seal that has become one with the valve. It requires chisels, cutting torches, and maybe even a come-along to remove it, and it could take hours of your time and cause some serious damage to the valve. In short, it requires labor and time spent inefficiently. By replacing metal with graphite pressure seals, the opposite occurs. First, it seals every time, even in a valve that previously used a metal pressure ring. That's because the graphite is so resilient and rebounds with every pressure cycle. Better yet, it doesn't fuse to the valve components, so you'll never use the cutting torch again. The graphite seal just lifts out and is ready for immediate replacement. Studies have actually shown time savings for valve repair can be 75%. And since they are compressible and conformable, little or no machining is required for installation of a new graphite pressure seal. Independent testing has proven EGC's graphite pressure seals can work in oversize, out of round, and steam cut or pitted bonnet cavities without the need for welding, grinding, and refinishing. In short, conditions that if not repaired would cause metal seals to fail. Valves which have been in high temperature service for several years have most likely experienced dimensional changes due to pressure and temperature cycling, wear and tear, and prior valve repair activity. VSG and VSG Pro graphite pressure seals are engineered for each individual application, allowing for direct replacement of metal gaskets, and can be designed, manufactured, and shipped in 48 hours or less. This process is a team effort, and it all begins with you. Our engineers need key dimensional and operating information from your valve to accurately design a worry-free graphite replacement that seals the first time and throughout every cycle. To quote our chief engineer, "You provide us application information, and we give you sleep insurance." But we also know that you're usually under tight time constraints from your customer to complete the repair and bring the valve back online quickly. Fast Track is EGC's rapid manufacturing process that lets us ship you a replacement graphite pressure seal in 48 hours or less. That is, once we've received your completed data sheet. Remember, this is a team effort. Oh, and did I mention there's no tooling cost? So it's pretty simple. Using EGC graphite pressure seals reduces your valve repair labor time and cost. They seal better than metal and easily conform to the valve to provide worry-free service. EGC's VSG Pro is available with 48-hour standard lead time and can be expedited for 24-hour or same-day service. And the Pro is cost competitive with producing your own metal rings. We would like to thank our partners in this video, Industrial Valve, for the use of their facility, equipment, and personnel, particularly Mr. Charles Hall, Jimmy, and Thomas. So what are you waiting for? Contact EGC for your next replacement graphite pressure seal. Simply fill out our data sheet, and in 2 days or less, we'll ship your VSG Pro. Stay tuned for more on measurement and installation of pressure seals in our next videos.